Hi everyone, what's up? Josh here from Alternative Brewing, and in a sec we're going to dive straight in and begin brewing on the Gem Series dripper. This has been designed by a world barista champion, Stefanos from Greece, and we're going to be using his recommended brew recipe. And this 2 to 4 cup ceramic dripper, it comes with a lid, which is its first unique feature, and this helps trap aromas and provide better temperature stability during a bloom. And the hole on top helps with accurate pouring of the water into the brewer, so you don't go too close to those sidewalls, circumventing the ground coffee. Then on the inside of the dripper, you have the ridges. The horizontal ones, these assist with the flow of the water in the initial stages of brewing, and then the vertical ones down lower help with the draw of that water through the hole to avoid any stalling and over extraction later on. So let's jump in and begin brewing. So working off of a standard brew ratio of 1 to 16.5, we're going to be using 15 grams of ground coffee to 250 mils of water heated to 93 degrees Celsius. Grind your beans to a medium grind, which is the standard midway setting on most grinders, and this is ideal for pour over coffee. Next, you can use a regular 2-cup paper filter here, throw it in the dripper and give it a rinse to remove any papery taste, as well as it does help get that filter stick to the sides of the brewer. Add your grounds into the dripper and then give it a gentle shake to settle the grounds. From here, you can place the lid on and we'll prepare for our bloom. Begin by adding 40 mils of water towards the center of the dripper in about 10 to 12 seconds, and then let it rest up to 30 seconds. This is the bloom stage, and it helps saturate the grounds all at once prior to the beginning of the extraction phase. And a little bit of coffee coming out into the carafe isn't too much to worry about. After the 30 seconds is up, begin by pouring the next 80 mils of water in under 30 seconds. And once you've added until 120 mils, pause until 1 minute on the timer. For the second pour, add a short, slow 40 mils of water and then pause again until 1 minute 15. Next, add 60 mils of water slowly and then pause until you reach a minute 35. From a minute 35 onwards, add the remaining water until you get to your total brew weight of 250 mils. Then let it finish dripping all the way through. It should be around 2 minutes 15 to 2:30 before you remove the dripper. Give the brew a stir, then serve straight away. And the taste test? Yeah, I dig it. It's got some extra aromatic qualities to it that I didn't expect from a pour over, but it is clean and it is a juicy, delicious brew, all the hallmarks of a good pour over brewer, and I've brewed half a dozen of these really consistently. Now, to keep this baby clean, it's just gonna be rinsing it under the tap like any other. It's a little bit larger than your classic Hario V60, so I reckon you could even get 6 cups out of this. But that's the Gem Series for you. I kind of like the name the Diamond Dripper for it though. I missed out on that one. Anyway, if you have any questions on the Gem Series dripper, add them in the comments section down below and we'll get straight back to you. If you've enjoyed watching this video, hit the like, then smash the subscribe so you can stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. Thanks for watching to the end of this video, and we'll see you in the next one.